All right, good day, guys. This is how to claim the free $100 no deposit bonus. When you click on the link in the description of this video, just register. Just put your full name. Make sure you write your full name, your three names. Don't do the mistake I did. My own, I wrote my first name, and when I went to verify my identity by uploading my document, it was rejected because of the name. So I went and edited it in the app. So you need the site to register, and you need the app to claim the bonus, the $100. So what you have to do, just fill in this stuff, and it's not hard. Just follow the prompt, put your email, and make sure you confirm your email by, because they'll send you a code. They'll send you a code. When they send you a code, you check your email for the code. Then copy the code and paste it and confirm your email. Then from there you click on Google Play Store. Get it on Google Play Store. Then you click on install. When you install this app, this is the app. Hope you've seen it. Then you open it. When you open the app, what you will do is you will just click on the three lines beside the app. Okay, you click on the three lines beside the app here. Okay, as you can see, my profile is verified. What you do, you will verify your profile first, and make sure you open the trading account you are going to open should be a Meta 4 trading account, MT4, MetaTrader 4. Don't open, because the bonus will not be sent to you on the MetaTrader 5. It is on MetaTrader 4. So all these things I'm mentioning here are the mistakes I did. I went and created a MetaTrader 5 account, and finally I was not able to receive the account. When I messaged the support, they told me it's on MetaTrader 4, and I've received it on MetaTrader 4. Let me show you the account. So that here is the account. Okay, here is the account on MT4. So you can trade on the account. Can trade on the account. Then you will click on these three lines. You click on bonuses. Here they will ask you to verify. When you click on no deposit bonus, see it there. When you click on no deposit bonus, they will ask you to verify, and you have to verify. And when you verify, you have to wait. When you wait for, you wait for like 5 to 10 minutes or 20 minutes. You understand? Just be patient. Be patient for like 30 minutes time. They should verify your document. You upload your NIN card, the card, oh, not the slip, NIN card or your voters card, the front and back of it, and you take a selfie. Then you should be patient. They will verify you. Then when they verify you, you click on this no deposit bonus, and yeah, you will click on the account you want to receive the no deposit bonus. That is the MT4 account you created. When you log into this app newly, you will see the place that you have to create an account. You understand? You will see it. So in case you made the mistake, you can come here to edit. You understand? Come here to edit my account. So trading account. So this is the empty file I mistakenly created. Okay, so up there is the MT4 account. Create the MT4 account for the bonus. If not, you will not receive it. Please don't forget. Then, as I said, not deposit, but when you are verified though, then you have to choose account you want the bonus to be sent into. What you choose is the MT4, and you click on confirm. They will send you an email. And when they send you an email, you go to that email, you do what? You copy your password and logins. You come here and you click here, and you click on login to an existing account. You search for SChief. Okay, then you click on SChief real. Then you paste your logins here, the numbers, you understand? The numbers is either 7 or 6. Then you paste your password. With that, you copy. If you be able to write it down in your paper and then type it, no problem. But I love copy and paste. Just copy it and come and paste it here. And you click on sign in. When you click on sign in, you will have access to your account and you can trade it. And the rules on this account is nothing much, but don't share logins. Also, when you are trading this account, make sure it's only one account you have. After all, they want to know their customer first before they fund this account. That is the KYC, that is the verification. So the verification will let them know when you are creating another account, they will know that it's you and they will ban your account. So one account per person. And also when you go the account to $100, you can withdraw. That is the threshold for withdrawals. Understand? $100. When you go to $100, you can withdraw. You understand? And when you withdraw, the account will be cancelled. That $100 profit is yours. But make sure you manage your account like your own account. So link is on the description of this video. Register and get your own no deposit account. You don't have to deposit anything. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more updates like this.